Hello friend, welcome back. So now let's fix this hard-coded. And I think we can make it wider. Let's fix the hard-coded whose turn, okay? Like this guy is always yellow now. And we don't like that. For example, if we drop here, right? It's let's assume red player goes first. And then the next one will be yellow and next one will be red. Okay, so we can define, so this guy is our game manager, right? It should control manager whose turn. So let's define something like that. Wow, okay. Player in turn, right? Like that. So it's player. So connect for player. Initially is red, okay? So now after, so we'll use this guy here instead of hard-coded yellow. And after we make a drop, right? After we make a drop, we need to toggle this guy, right? So we'll use our ternary for this. Let's review what is a ternary. Okay, so let's don't use ternary. Let's use the if. Okay, so if playerInTurn, right, is red, we'll toggle that, right? So playerInTurn will be yellow, right? Be careful. When we compare, we use equal. When we do assignment, right, we assign this value to this variable, okay? So when it's red after we drop a piece, then we toggle this one to yellow, right? Yellow player's turn. Else it means, right, is yellow, then we need to change it back to red. It's like that. Okay, let's test it. Say we put let's drop a piece at column 0, okay? Yeah, red here. So now let's keep going to drop another piece at like 2, okay, column 2. It should be a Y here, right? Column 2. Let's see. Yes, it works. Oh, let's try another one. Copy and paste. Now this time let's go to the corner, right? Column 6. Yeah, it's R again. That's great. So it works. Now can we improve this code using a ternary? Ternary is something like that, right? For example, right, this guy, we need to make a decision, right, based on if it's red or not. So here is the condition. That's the right, and the question mark. Then here is the value for true, and the colon value for false. Okay, so now let's do it. Player's turn equals condition. What is condition? Right, this is the condition to check if it's red or not. Right, if it's red, then we'll do the right. This is the value for true. So we'll do equal to that, right? Otherwise it's red. So this single line is exactly same as those 5 lines. This is called, we can call it like a syntax sugar for that, because programmers are lazy, right? All programmers are lazy, kind of quoted. Okay, so let's test it. Come now that and try it again, run it. This is called the refactoring, right? We improve the code without changing its function. Yeah, still like that. Okay, now let's clean up that like that. And what is the next? Okay, so we don't want to use print to verify our correctness. We'll use xct assert equal. So totally we have 3 pieces, right? So Conn4Board dot pieces box dot count. Let's verify that. Okay, so run it. Yeah, it passed test. Now let's check to make sure, right, this guy is red. Okay, let's test that to guarantee that logic. So xct assert equal, this is yellow, and Conn4 dot piece at column, no, sorry, dot piece at oh, we don't have, yeah, we make this private, so we cannot access that. Okay, let's remove this. Yeah, you see, if it's private, then we cannot get it, call it from outside of this struct. Now save it. Let's try it again. Piece at let's run this again to trigger the compiler. PIEC piece at, yeah, this one. So column is 6, right? Row is 0. This is our piece at the top player, right? We are, yeah, this one means it could be nil, but if it's not nil, right, we just get the player of that. So let's test it. This one should be yellow, right? What if we put red here? It will fail, right? So try to get used to this testing, powerful testing. Oh, this is red. Okay, sorry about that. Now let's put back yellow here. This time it should fail. Right. What does it say? Is not equal to, okay, yellow is not equal to red. Okay, cool. Now let's undo, Command Z and Z. Okay, now Command U to make sure all the test cases pass. That's great. One more thing, there's a warning. Okay, let's make a commit for this one. What did we do? Oh, we add this, right? Now we drop a piece. We drop pieces in turn. Okay, so status git commit -a. We can say we added variable. Let's make a copy of that in Conn4Board to control, right? Whose turn, like that. Okay, now status clean, right? Git push, you can push that. Another thing we want to check is here there's a warning. What is that? Update to recommended setting. Yeah, I think this message is from the latest Xcode. After I upgraded the Xcode, I got this. Let's click that. Okay, so build setting, target that, enable code signing. Okay, I think we just performed the change. Okay, now the warning is gone. You see, cool. But let's make sure all nothing is broken, right? By running our command test cases, command U. Yeah, that is what professional programmers do, right? Every time when we change something, we just go through all the test cases to make sure nothing is broken, and run it to see. Yeah, so the app is also runnable. Okay, now let's commit this change. So commit modified project, right? Based on suggestions from upgraded Xcode. Okay, like that. So git status clean, so we can push, right? Okay, so thank you for watching. See you next time.